onions. And we have a sweet recipe. You guys are going to taste it. It's so good. Hi, my name is Omar, and I got these from my school.
Your school?
Mhm.
Wow, what are they?
Onions
Onions? Where do they grow at?
in the dirt.
So our first step, you said, is going to be to do what?
Cut
Cut what?
this.
Okay.
It's so spicy.
Okay, let's do it. Hold the knife.
Ah!
Cut. Push. Nice. Okay, now you gotta peel this off.
What's behind this? Green stuff. Guys, my eyes was watering now, they're not. Okay, bye.
Now you gotta mix the seasoning in. I'm just gonna put